Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Yield Pro. Today's video is a deep dive into the burning question on everyone's mind: why the hell is crypto crashing today? With markets, especially altcoins, taking a nosedive, we're going to unpack the reasons behind this sudden plunge. Buckle up, because we've got a lot to cover in this crash course on the crypto downturn of early 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this wild crypto ride. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room: regulations. Just yesterday, UK announced new crypto regulations that have sent shockwaves through the market. These regulations aim to tighten oversight, impacting how exchanges operate and forcing many to adapt or face penalties. This sudden regulatory shift has prompted a mass sell-off as investors recalibrate their risk assessments. The UK isn't alone. There's been a wave of regulatory news globally that's making investors nervous. Remember, in crypto, regulatory clarity can either be a boon or a bane, and today, it's definitely the latter. The market cap has dropped significantly, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and mainly altcoins feeling the brunt due to their size and visibility. Moving on to another big player in today's crash: options expiry. We saw over $10 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiring. Now, when options expire, especially in such large volumes, it can lead to massive volatility. Traders are either forced to cover their positions or roll them over, often resulting in increased selling pressure. This has acted like a catalyst for the downward trend we're witnessing. If you look at the charts, you can see the clear correlation between these expiries and the price action. It's a classic case of sell the news, where anticipation leads to an exaggerated response once the event passes. Then there's leverage, a double-edged sword. And right now, we're seeing the sharp side. Liquidations on platforms like Binance and Coinbase have been sky-high, with hundreds of millions in leverage positions getting wiped out. When leverage positions get liquidated, it creates a domino effect, pushing prices down even further, which in turn triggers more liquidations. This feedback loop of selling has been particularly harsh on altcoins, where leverage is often higher due to the promise of quick gains. It's a brutal reminder of how interconnected and sensitive the crypto market is to these kinds of events. Now, let's zoom out a bit. Crypto doesn't exist in a vacuum. The broader financial markets are also in a jittery state. With bond yields climbing and geopolitical tensions flaring, there's a flight to safety. Investors are moving away from riskier assets, and crypto, unfortunately, falls into that category today. Moreover, the crypto market has often been correlated with tech stocks, and with the tech sector also seeing corrections, it's dragging crypto down with it. The market sentiment is turning bearish, and that's a strong headwind for any recovery in the short term. So, what's next? While it's tough to predict exact turns in this market, understanding these factors gives us a clearer picture. We're likely looking at a period of consolidation or further testing of lower supports before any significant recovery. Remember, every dip is a potential buying opportunity for those with the stomach to hold through the storm. All right, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into why crypto is crashing today. If you found this analysis insightful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you're looking to navigate these turbulent times with some solid DeFi strategies, I've got just the thing for you. My ebook offers a comprehensive guide on maximizing returns in DeFi, especially during market downturns. It's all about turning these market corrections into opportunities. Check the link in the first pinned comment below to grab your copy, and remember, supporting the channel helps me bring more of these detailed breakdowns to you. Catch you in the next video tomorrow, and stay sharp out there in the crypto Wild West.